It's Wellness Wednesday, and in this video, we're visiting a fitness boot camp. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get inside. So one of the first things you'll notice right away is that they are doing a series of exercises that are causing them to stretch, stretching out the front as well as stretching out the back. And then Whitney's looking all around just to make sure everyone is doing what they're supposed to be doing and giving instructions as she goes along. And people were obviously having a great time. There was lots of laughter. A little dancing and lots of laughter. And she continued to walk the circuit. There were 5 stations, I believe, and she would go from station to station giving instructions. Or demonstrations. Here you can see where I make my entrance, and I try to jump into the thick of it. But it proved to be just a little too much for me. I anticipated that it might be a little more than I could do, so I brought my yoga mat and my bands. I came prepared. We are at the Look Good Naked Fitness Bootcamp hosted by Whitney of Beauty Gains. And just so you know, this is one of my granddaughters, and so she is here to tell you a little bit about herself and her business. So Whitney, tell me, why did you start your business, Beauty Gains?
Okay, so originally I had a lot of clients throughout my training process. They were a little bit like discouraged with how they looked as far as, you know, their body. They didn't have any self-confidence about themselves. And a lot of times, whenever I would get a new client, I would always ask them, the first question I ask them is, what are your goals? What are you coming to work out for? Because I never wanted them to say, oh, just to be fine. No, I wanted to go deeper into it to understand why they were here. Okay. And when I tell you, with every client I had, it was a different reason, whether it's from either divorce, either they never felt like they were pretty enough, or anything like that. So I thought of the name Beauty and Gains. Like, you can be pretty, beautiful. You're beautiful first, and you know, you're looking good. You're gains. You're working out. You're gaining muscle. You're gaining confidence. You're gaining so much more.
Okay, I like that. So, and I really love the name Beauty and Gains. So tell me about the Look Good Naked Bootcamp, because I tell you what, I think I'm past looking good naked. But certainly there are people that can. So tell us about that.
I originally came up with the Look Good Naked was because it was I have actually even females my age, I would have them be always self-confident. You know, we wear shirts and like, oh, I don't like my legs, I got back fat, or I got back fat in my legs, I don't like that, I got wrinkles, or I have stretch marks. You know, I have a best friend and she had a baby, my sister had a child, and you know, they're very timid when it comes to showing their stomach. And that's another reason why a lot of my apparel is high waist. So I want you to be cute and confident and wear the same stuff I'm wearing without being, you know, self-confident about your stretch marks.
Yes, because I do like to wear, when I go to class, I like to wear what the instructor is wearing because I'm hoping that I can grow up to look like the instructor. So tell me about your product line. I'm so excited. Oh, and I do have on her outfit. I'll show you guys that in just a minute. And then remember, the camera's over there.
Okay, yeah, I came out with my own fitness line, I'd say back in, I launched it April the 13th in Houston, Texas. Yes, I had a mixer. She's actually wearing one of them. This is the seamless set. It's a top and then it's a bottom. It fits like a glove. Majority of everything that I have is high waist. Like I said, to cover everything, to hug everything in, to show everyone's curves, keep everything tucked away. I have on an ombre set. It's long sleeve. It actually has holes in the pockets, just like this. High waist in the back. I have a lot of different sets as far as like all of them are seamless. They're tight. Very great material. All of them, majority of them are nylon and spandex. Yeah, just to hug the curves and make you feel good about yourself. I do have shorts. The summer collection is coming out. I'm trying to give a different vibe and a different look. I do feel like everyone's gonna love it and it's gonna, you know, fit everyone. So
I am loving this outfit. I'm probably, as you can see, I'm a little self-conscious about the short top, but I am loving this outfit and it feels really great. So now how can they get access to these pieces?
Okay, so
I got the hookup. I got the family hookup. But how can we let my community get access to these?
So all you have to do is go on my website. It's beautyandgains.com. As soon as you go on the page, you can read about, you know, why we started Beauty and Gains, and then you can just go on the side and click merchandise. Also, if you wanted to look at some of my client results as far as like the testimonials, I have that on my website as well. If you have any questions, you can feel free. My telephone number is on the website and my email if you have any questions. So I also do online training, so we can do that as well.
And the YouTube channel is coming.
Yes.
We are working on that. So now it's time for the lightning round. So I'm going to ask you 5 questions and you have to answer right away.
Okay.
So, kittens or puppies?
Puppies.
Seafood or soul food?
Seafood.
Coke or 7-Up?
7-Up.
Shoes or purses?
Shoes.
Beyonce or Cardi B?
Cardi B.
All right, so that's it. That's our lightning round. Thank you, Whitney, so much for joining me today.
Thank you so much.
I am always glad when I can showcase family on my channel. And as you know, on Wellness Wednesday, I like to bring the best in fitness. And we got the best in fitness right here with the Whitness. So please check her out at Beauties and Gains. I'll link her website below. And like I said, we're working on a YouTube channel. So now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan and
Whitney McDonald
saying goodbye.